Ayan guys, Sir Mac.
Kaya ganun, sumalpok, nagsalpukan ng dalawa. Yung isa single rider, nag-iisa lang. Yung isa may angkas. Yung may angkas yung Aerox, yung ano, Aerox. Kawawa po guys kasi may babae kasi, kaya ganun. Kaya medyo maano talaga, parang napaka.
Sino yung kasama niya? Oh, tabi-tabi mo na.
Yo, what's up guys? It's Delta First Moto and welcome to my travel moto vlogs. So, for today's video, we are talking about riding tips and techniques. So, kailangan natin yun guys kasi para maiwasan natin ng disgrasya or madisgrasya. So, paalala lang sa lahat ng mga nagmumotor at ingat po tayo guys kasi pag nag-iingat tayo, hindi lang sarili natin ang tinutulungan at pati na rin yung mga ibang riders. Kasi siyempre pagka ganon madisgrasya ka or makadamay ka ng iba, so 'di ba? Parang unfair naman po 'yun. So kailangan nating mag-ingat sa daan habang tayo nagda-drive at para na rin matulungan natin ang ibang riders na maiingatan natin sila. Hindi lang tayo sa sarili natin tayo nag-iingat, kundi pati yung ibang drivers iniingatan natin sila. So, you finally have the itch to try your hand at riding a motorcycle. You've seen racing on TV, you've seen a lot of motorcycle riders in your area, and you won't get into the fun. Everyone is always smelling when you are riding. How hard could it be? Well, it seems like innocent fun. The truth is, motorcycling can be very dangerous. It's 5,286 motorcyclists were killed while riding within the last 7 years. There has been on average of 4,200 motorcyclist fatalities a year. The causes range of drinking alcohol before riding, not wearing helmet, and unfortunate infraction with other motorists. You can avoid all dangerous situation, but you can take the steps to have a safe motorcycle experience. The key is preparing yourself before ride, knowing what you look at during a ride, and knowing what to do when you recognize danger. It's crucial to prioritize your own safety and the safety of those around you. Choose the right motorcycle before you make a decision. Follow these steps and how to choose the right motorcycle for you. Talk to experienced riders, chat to knowledgeable staff in a showroom, and refer to motorcycle website. Think about what sort of motorcycle will suit your needs, whether it's for touring at weekends, every day, and commuting trips to the beach, or a sports model. Be realistic about your size, weight, and strength, as you will need to be able to maneuver quickly, efficiently, and confidently. If upgrading to a more powerful bike, after upgrading your license, take time to practice or take a reefer course, as the handling is a very different from smaller motorcycles. Seat braking sit-up is braking lightly as you approach potential hazard to give you more control and opportunity to react to unexpected events. It also prepares the motorcycle to stop without locking up the brakes. Prepares any drivers behind you that you may be about to brake hard. If something unexpected happen and you need to avoid a crash, lean into the swerve and then try and correct the motion as quickly as possible. Check where you're going to make sure you don't end up in another crash. If a blowout or rapid puncture occurs whilst you are riding, don't brake, just gradually close the throttle down and try to steer straight. Move your weight towards whichever tire is still inflated. Safe cornering, adjust your speed coming up to a corner, ease of the brakes gently on entering the corner. Change down to the appropriate gear to get you into and out of corners. Allow for traffic and weather conditions. In a rural and regional areas, a typical motorcycle crash is a single vehicle run-off road crash, which can be caused by misjudging cornering. Start corners wide to improve your vision of incoming traffic. Plan to finish it tight. Move away from the central head-on zone as you around the corner. Difficult surface. A number of surfaces can provide a sleeping hazard for motorcycles, including wet roads, painted lane markings, and steel surfaces. To ride safely on slippery surfaces, reduce your speed so that you require less space to stop. Reduce the amount of length on the motorcycle when riding curb by slowing down and or leaning your body into the bend. Gain more traction from riding on the tracks made by the car in front of you. Look out for oil and often collects down the center of a lane. Steering shake or wobble. Correct tire pressure or weight distribution can lead to steering shakes or wobbles. If you're more interested in a close course racetrack school, offer you have the basic skill down, there are a few options to consider. Most offer one or 2 day seminar for various skill levels, and some schools include the rental of motorcycle and safety gear for an additional fee. Prices range from I think it's a 20,000 to 100,000 depending on the location of the school and number of days and the concept taught. Typical age class is taught by expert riders with years of experience or current racing professionals. Its class techniques, riding techniques, meant to increase your confidence while riding fast. Concept, the hone on is body position as you enter, exit its corner, how to get the best line, how to lane yourself and motorcycle better, or etc. Some racetrack schools are specifically targeted towards improving racing techniques, while most offer track days with instruction as an option. If you want the instruction without the interest in a true racing, option of track days, they are less intensive but still offer valuable seat time with great instruction. Below are recommendation of schools and organization that have good reputation and view. So yun nga guys, kadalasan sa mga riders na didisgrasya kasi yun sa hindi pag-iingat, yung hindi naging responsible sa nakalimutang maging responsible sa sarili. So kayong kadalasan nadidisgrasya, kaya guys, kailangan natin mag-ingat habang tayo nagda-drive kasi kung halimbawa ay baka makadamay pa tayo ng iba, so another gastos yun, so masakit sa bulsa yun guys, kung baga. At yun, siyempre kung makadisgrasya ka, nakadamay ka, babayaran mo yun hindi po pwede kasi alam natin na may batas doon, may batas na habol sa atin pagka ganun. Kaya sa lahat ng mga drivers, paalala lang, be responsible being drivers. So yun guys, kaya kung bago ka pa sa aking channel, mag-subscribe ka na para updated ka sa ating mga panibagong video. And yun guys, so ride safe always guys. So and God bless always, and enjoy sa ating video.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So, bakit kaya traffic dito? Anong mayroon dito? Parang may disgrasya ata. Mayroon nga guys, may disgrasya. Kita mo, ano lang natin. Kaya yun, isa na rin yun sa magiging aral. Kailangan natin mag-ingat talaga guys habang tayo ay nagda-drive. Kasi ang motorcycle kasi takaw, disgrasya talaga yan. Kasi dalawa lang kasi gulong guys kaya ganun. Kaya yun, ingat-ingat tayo lagi guys.
Shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So ayun guys, ang yugto na to guys, may disgrasya guys, kumbaga Wave 125 versus Aerox. Kaya ganun, nagsalpukan ng dalawa. Yung isa single rider, nag-iisa lang, yung isa may angkas. Yung may angkas yung Aerox, Aerox. Kawawa po guys kasi may babae kasi, kaya ganun. Kaya medyo maano talaga, parang talaga magka-disgrasya. Bali yung kamay nung isang driver nung Aerox, saka bali naman ang paa nung naka Wave 125, naka Honda Wave 125. So kailangan ingat tayo guys lagi guys, para kasi ang disgrasya hindi natin malalaman kumbaga kung saan maano kasi yan Ayan guys, nag-crash Aerox versus Wave. Honda Wave. Alin bang bilis matakbo yan?
Ito ang sumagat.
Naman yun.
Pagdastos niya, ito papunta. Umama siya.
Pero ito yung tinamaan ng yung motor, no? Kasi nakaiga to
Bugsak. Sumausdo siya. Pinalpok naman nun.
Shoot! Guys, tatumba na, overshoot guys.
Asan yung kasama niya? Oh, tabi-tabi mo na. Mukhang mabilis sila eh.
Mabilis ba sila?
Pwede nga yung video. Lagi mo kung mabilis.